Okay, today guys, I am going to make some homemade banana cranberry pancakes. The ingredients that I'm going to use, of course, is bananas. I'm using 5 overripe bananas. I'm going to use 3 tablespoons of ricotta cheese. I am going to use my favorite fortified eggs, 3 eggs with the vitamins D, E, B2, B12, B5, 25% less saturated fat, 125 milligrams of omega. I have some reduced sugar sweetened dried cranberries from Myers. And I am going to use 1/2 cup of Open Nature, which is a Myers brand, unsweetened vanilla almond milk, 30 calories, 0 sugar. And I am going to add 2 cups, well, 1 cup of the Pamela's pancake and baking mix, gluten-free, 8 grams of grains and no added sugar. When I'm making any type of food homemade, I try to use either no salt, low salt, 0 sugar ingredients. And I'm not sure yet, but I might add a little bit of flaxseed for added health benefits. I'm going to do all the mixing in my Clean Blend commercial blender. Excuse the mess, guys. My son forgot to wipe the front off. But anyway, this is what I'm using. It's a pretty good blender. I got it several years ago with a 15-year warranty. I've only had to replace it once. So, no, or was it a 10? No, I think it was a 10-year warranty. So I've only had to replace it once. But it is a really good blender. But for mixing these pancakes, the ingredients in there, you can use any blender. So anyway, guys, I'll be back. Okay, guys, so this is what the batter looks like. It was a little bit too thin, so I added another 1.5 cups of the pancake and baking mix. Pamela's, it says on the bag that they've been in business since 1988. I've never heard of them before. This is the first time using this type of mix. So now the only thing I have to do is to add the cranberries to it. And I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with it in a skillet. Okay, guys, this is what it looks like in the skillet. I am using my favorite cooking equipment, which is I think this is a 12-inch. I think this is a 12-inch cast iron skillet, and I poured the batter in. I'm using, hold on a second, I'll show you. I am using this from Violi, I don't know how to pronounce it, guys. This is an extra virgin olive oil mix. Contains 20% olive oil and Italian sunflower. So it's sodium free, cholesterol free. I don't have any butter, otherwise I would have made it in butter, the pancakes in butter. So I am using this, and let's get back and see what it looks like. Oh my gosh, guys. And yeah, it's raising up. Look at that. I'm going to get ready to flip this over. I added sparingly the cranberries. It's not that we don't love cranberries. We love cranberries over here, but I don't know how sweet they are, and I'm trying to keep the pancakes, with less sugar. But anyway, this is what this one is looking like. I was going to fold it in half, but I think I'm just going to flip it over and leave it as a regular looking pancake. But it looks really nice. Look at the lightly tanned edges. All right, let's flip this baby over and see what it looks like. Okay guys, this is what it looks like flipped over. It puffed up a little bit, which made it easier for me to flip it over to the other side. That's what happens when you add eggs to the mix. Of course, you guys already know that, so I'm not telling you anything new. But yeah, this is what it looks like. So I will be back to show you the whole stack. Okay guys, I'll be back. Okay guys, here is the final product. Here is my stack of banana cranberry pancakes. And as you can see, I put the stack on one of my fun plates. So they turned out really good. But doesn't it look deliciousness, guys? Look at that. Look at how many pancakes I got out of there. Now, of course, we're not going to eat all of these. Not in one day. This is enough for 2 days. Ooh, and look at this little... Now, this to me is the best part. The part that oozes out the side of the pancake when you flip it over. I love these. I love this part. I could just eat a plate full of these with or without syrup, and I'm okay with that. But yes, guys, this is the stack. This is the stack. Yeah, there it is. It's calling me, guys. Wait, I'm gonna get that one. Oh, that's good. Uh-oh. It's breaking apart. Okay. One last piece. Okay, guys. Like I said, I'll be back. But here's the stack. Oh, I can't wait to eat. My son is sleeping right now, so I have to wait until he get up. And then he'll make the rest of the food that we're going to have. Nothing special. You'll see. Okay, guys. I'll be back.